bird on the telephone pole over there is attacking our house. It makes me question my vegan relationship with animals sometimes. Birds have not been kind to the insulation on this house. So what they're doing, you can see that hole, the knot holes in the wood. Well, they've decided, well, this woodpecker, it's a flicker, I guess my dad calls them, have decided that, my dad says that it's a breeding sound. I don't know if that's true or not, or if they're trying to eat something. They think that the knot holes in the wood suggest maybe there's grubs or something because the trees are rotting out. I don't know. But basically all he's doing is pecking holes in the insulation behind. So I now have to take off the insulation and put a piece of sheet metal on the backside to protect the hole. Who would have figured?